Ashlesha Nakshatra. Saturn's retrograde for you is going to uncover some kind of, hidden truths. This is going to challenge you, this is going to challenge you emotionally more than anything else. So stay focused and understand, before you react to anything. If you get to know something, think, process, and then react. This is a time that you should remain very calm, in both your professional and your personal life, as you will feel issues in your communication, and this can bring delays in your growth, in especially in the career sector. Now if you look at your finances, financially, like, for everyone, this is not the time to get into those manipulative deals, high risk deals. Stay away from those. As far as your health is concerned, watch for digestive and psychological stress that can, come, because obviously when you get to know certain things you're not expecting, stress is but obvious. Now let's break it down into four intense periods it's going to develop into. In the first phase, you'll feel that you will, uncover some sort of hidden truth. Suddenly your thought process might change, you might start seeing things very differently. But again, as I mentioned earlier, try and stay calm, as the phase 2 will is going to bring a lot of psychic noise for you during this time. I will say, try to reflect internally to remain very calm, because if you are not, then, in the third phase, you will start mixing your boundaries. This is very important for you, so try to remain focused, map your emotional limits, and create those boundaries for yourself and for others, to safeguard yourself, most importantly, right? So you've controlled your reactions, you've created those boundaries. Now once you have controlled, and you'll be able to embrace your own complexity, because phase 4 is going to make you realize that, you know your own depth is your true power. So stay calm, stay in control, and enjoy this period of, understanding yourself better and accepting that you have the power to achieve anything that you put your mind on.